Assalamualaikum. In this video, I will show you that how the runtime transform save and load system works. This is spread primary, which save the position, rotation, scale of any Java object you want using the player graph setting, and you need ID, GUID. So likewise, I have this scene available with 5 objects. Let's attach a script which is called save load transform. So by adding this, you have two options: autosave and load save transform on startup. And the third is the identifier, unique identifier of this game object. So with this autosave check, you can save the transform information on automatically when your game closes. With this check, the save value will show automatically on this transform. So now if I run this, same transform value has shown because I did not change it. So let's go to scale and give it 5 height. As you can see that I have auto save is available. So if I unplay it, then play it again, so the automatic transform save work here. Now if I don't want to load the save value here, the automatic save value on a startup, then I need to uncheck it and then run this again. So now the save value will not automatically apply on it. Now we have this cylinder, we can add the same script and we can also check auto. Let's do this for but this we will not check the autosave. Now run this again. Now we are on runtime. Let's select this cylinder and say just move a bit. But the green, just raise the scale to position it on the corner. For the cube, 50. For this, just remember autosave, you might check on it, but the rest of the objects have this. Now let's unplay it. Remember this. And now if I play this again, so all the settings have applied. As you remember that we did not check on autosave, the value is not safe here.